My last child, I mean the baby of the house, recently turned 7. And this is what I made for her and her friends. Hello, creative bangers. It's a birthday cake on the menu today. You need either butter or margarine, sugar, and oil. I'm using sunflower oil. Feel free to use any cooking oil of your choice. I am going to manually whisk for about 10 minutes. You can also use your electric mixer to do this. That will even make the job more faster. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, or a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. All right, after mixing, I'm going to set it aside. I'll be using 8 eggs for this recipe. I am going to whisk the first 4. That is exactly what is going on here. All right, now back to the creamed margarine. Now I am going to sift in half of the flour that I'm using for this recipe. Okay, always sift your flour before making use of it. Now I added baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Now I'm going to move in with the whisked egg. Okay, now I added milk. Go ahead and take your time and mix to combine very well. All right, I'm going to do the mixing for about a minute. Please do not over mix. Okay, once that is done, I am going to sift in the remaining flour. Then I will also whisk the remaining 4 eggs. Remember that I told you earlier that I'm using 8 eggs. Okay, so this is the remaining 4. I'm also going to whisk just like we did to the previous 4. All right, once that is done, I am going to add it. Okay, now I added the remaining milk. Okay, finally the flavor, I'm using vanilla flavor. You can use any flavor of your choice. Now I'm going to continue mixing till everything is well combined. Now I'm going to continue mixing with the wicks for about a minute. All right, after a minute I will move in with my spatula and do the remaining mixing. Shout out to you, Olivia, watching from Uganda, Lola from Nigeria, Marie from Gambia, Sandra watching from Trinidad, and Chioma all the way from Nigeria. Whoops. Aw. I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well. Okay? All right, like I mentioned earlier, I'm going to do the remaining mixing with a spatula using the cut and fold method. If you are with me at this moment, type cut and fold at the comment section. You can see what the texture looks like. Very, very beautiful. Please do not over mix, okay? Now, you can go ahead and bake, but I am going for 2 colors, okay? Now, I'm going to mix green color, all right? I'm using the paste color, so I dissolved the color with a little milk. If you are using the powdered one, you just go ahead and add it, all right? Now, these colors are potent, so I added just little. A little goes a long way, as you can see. I divided the cake batter into 2 equal parts, add the color mix, then I'm going to transfer into a well-greased baking pan. I added the colored batter first, spread it around to be in the same shape with the baking pan. Now, I'm going to add chocolate powder, sweetened chocolate powder. You can also use unsweetened cocoa powder, all right? Anyone that you have, you can use it. Once I add the sweet chocolate powder, I spread it around to cover the entire green that I've added earlier. Finally, I added the remaining cake batter without color. It is time to bake. I bake in a preheated oven for 40 minutes and there you have it. We just delivered again without being pregnant. Oh, yes, it was in 2 pans. Okay, you thought it was in 1 pan. Of course not. We have 2 pan. Look at that. It turned out so well. Do you love what he is saying? Do you? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. I open it and this is what the inside looks like. Oh my word. And the moment she saw the cake, oh my word, she was so happy. She didn't even bother if the cake is going to be decorated or not. She just said, Mommy, I love it. If you watch up on this minute, please wish my baby girl well for me. Okay, her name is Olivia. I hope you find this video helpful. Remember, homemade is better than junk. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.